Hey everyone, welcome back to EnglishPop.
What's up, English learners? I'm Fred.
And I'm Zenal. How's everyone doing today?
Today, we're diving into one of the most useful and most confusing words in the English language.
Oh, let me guess. Is it get?
Exactly, the word get.
I knew it. This word is everywhere in English.
Seriously, native speakers use get constantly. We say, get up, get going, get tired, get it, get ready. The list goes on forever.
And that's exactly why it's so confusing for learners. Get has like a million different meanings.
Not quite a million, but yeah, it's a lot. But don't worry, by the end of this episode, you're going to understand all the main uses of get.
And we're going to teach you with real conversations, not boring textbook examples.
Exactly. We'll show you how native speakers actually use get every single day.
Plus, we've got tons of examples, some fun stories, and easy tricks to remember everything.
So, if you've ever been confused by get, this episode is for you.
Grab your notebooks, get comfortable, see what I did there, and let's get started.
You said get 3 times already.
That's how common it is. Let's pop into it.
All right, let's start with the most basic meaning of get, to receive or obtain something.
Yes, this is usually the first meaning students learn. It means to receive, buy, or obtain something.
For example, I got a present for my birthday.
Or, can you get some milk from the store?
I need to get a new phone. Mine is broken.
See, in all these examples, get means to receive or obtain something.
Now, here's something cool. Get can replace a lot of more formal verbs in casual conversation.
Ooh, good point. Instead of I received an email, we usually say I got an email.
Instead of I purchased a car, we say I got a car.
Instead of I obtained a degree, we say I got a degree.
See how much more natural get sounds in everyday conversation?
Exactly. English speakers love using get because it's simple and casual.
Let's practice with some common situations. Zenal, you're at a coffee shop. What do you say?
Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Perfect. Not can I have or can I order, just can I get.
Now you try, Fred. You're shopping for groceries.
I need to get eggs, bread, and cheese.
Great! See, everyone? Super simple.
Here are more everyday examples. Did you get my text message? I got tickets to the concert. She gets a salary of $50,000 a year.
Notice how natural these sound? You hear them every day.
Okay, now let's talk about another super common use. Get, meaning become.
This is so useful. We use get plus an adjective to show a change in state or condition.
For example, I'm getting tired. This means I'm becoming tired.
Or, it's getting dark outside. The sky is becoming dark.
She's getting better at English. She's becoming better.
This use of get is all about change. Something is transforming or changing from one state to another.
Let's look at tons of examples because this is everywhere in English.
Weather and temperature. It's getting cold. It's getting hot. It's getting cloudy.
Feelings and emotions. I'm getting hungry. Don't get angry. I'm getting excited. She's getting nervous.
Physical states. I'm getting sick. He's getting old. My feet are getting sore.
Situations. This is getting difficult. Traffic is getting bad. The movie is getting interesting.
See the pattern? Get plus adjective equals become plus adjective.
Now here's a really important one that students often mix up.
Ooh, what is it?
Get married, get engaged, get divorced.
Yes, these are so common. We don't say become married, we say get married.
Right, they got married last year.
She got engaged to her boyfriend.
My parents got divorced when I was young.
Another important one is get ready.
Oh, yes, I need to get ready for work. Or get ready, we're leaving soon.
Not become ready. Always get ready.
Let me tell you about my morning. I woke up late, so I had to get ready quickly. I was getting stressed because I didn't want to get in trouble at work. By the time I left, I was getting really anxious.
Perfect example. You used get ready, getting stressed, and getting anxious, all showing changes in state.
Exactly. This is how native speakers actually talk.
All right. Next meaning, get meaning arrive or reach a place.
Yes, this is super common when talking about going places.
The most common phrase is get to plus a place. For example, I got to work at 9 a.m.
Or, what time did you get to the party?
We got to the airport 2 hours early.
Notice we use get to with most places. Get to school, get to the office, get to the restaurant.
But there's an exception. With home, we don't use to. We just say get home.
Right, I got home at 6 p.m., not I got to home.
Same with here and there. When did you get here? We got there late.
No to needed.
Now there's also get in and get on for vehicles.
Good one. You get in a car, taxi, or elevator.
I got in the car and drove away.
But you get on a bus, train, plane, or bike.
She got on the train at 8 a.m.
Why the difference?
Think about it this way. If you walk into it, use get in. If you step onto it, use get on.
That's a great way to remember. You walk into a car, so get in the car.
You step onto a bus, so get on the bus.
Perfect. And of course, there's get out and get off for leaving.
I got out of the car, and I got off the bus.
Let's practice. Everyone say these out loud. I need to get to the meeting on time. What time do you get home from work? Get in the car, we're late. I got on the wrong bus.
Okay, this next one is really casual, but super common in conversation.
Ooh, I know this one. Get meaning understand.
Exactly. When someone explains something, you might say, I get it, meaning I understand.
Or if you don't understand, I don't get it.
This is very informal and casual, but native speakers use it all the time.
For example, if I explain a joke and you understand it, you'd say,
Oh, I get it now. That's funny.
or if someone explains math to you, okay, I get it, thanks.
You can also ask, do you get it? Or do you get what I mean?
Let me give you a real conversation example. Imagine I'm teaching you something.
Okay, go ahead.
So, you press this button, then wait for the light to turn green, and then you can start.
Wait, I don't get it. Which button?
This blue one here.
Oh, I get it now. Thanks.
See? Supernatural conversation.
Here are more examples. I don't get why she's upset. Do you get the difference between these two? I finally got what he was trying to say.
You can also use get with jokes. Did you get that joke?
Or, I didn't get the joke at first, but now I get it.
Important note, this is casual. In formal writing, use understand.
Right. Don't write, I get it in an essay. Use, I understand it. But in normal conversation, get is perfect.
All right, everyone. Now we're getting into the really good stuff. Phrasal verbs with get.
Oh boy, here we go. There are so many of these.
I know, but don't panic. We're going to teach you the most common and useful ones.
Let's start with daily routine phrasal verbs.
First up, get up. This means to wake up and get out of bed.
I get up at 7 a.m. every day.
What time do you get up on weekends?
Next, get dressed, to put on clothes.
I got dressed quickly and left for work.
Then there's get ready. We mentioned this earlier. It means to prepare yourself.
I'm getting ready for the party.
Get ready. We're leaving in 5 minutes.
Now, relationship and social phrasal verbs.
Get along with someone means to have a good relationship with them.
I get along really well with my coworkers.
Do you get along with your neighbors?
Get together means to meet up with people socially.
Let's get together this weekend.
We got together for dinner last night.
Get back together means to resume a romantic relationship after breaking up.
They broke up last year, but they got back together.
Now, movement phrasal verbs.
Get away means to escape or go on vacation.
I need to get away from work for a while.
We're getting away for the weekend.
Get back means to return.
What time did you get back from the trip?
I got back home late last night.
Get out means to leave or exit.
Get out of my room.
Let's get out of here. This place is boring.
Now, work and task phrasal verbs.
Get down to something means to start doing something seriously.
Let's get down to business.
I need to get down to studying for my exam.
Get through means to finish or complete something difficult.
I finally got through all my emails.
How did you get through that boring meeting?
Get over something means to recover from something difficult or emotional.
It took me a long time to get over my breakup.
I can't get over how beautiful this place is. This means you're amazed.
Yes, get over has 2 meanings: recover from something or be amazed by something.
Communication phrasal verbs.
Get across means to make someone understand your message.
I'm trying to get my point across, but he's not listening.
Get through to someone means to make contact or make them understand.
I can't get through to her. She won't answer her phone.
I finally got through to him and he understood what I meant.
Problem and trouble phrasal verbs.
Get into trouble means to do something that causes problems.
He got into trouble for being late.
Don't get into trouble at school.
Get out of something means to avoid an obligation or escape a situation.
I got out of going to the meeting because I was sick.
How can I get out of this dinner? I really don't want to go.
Wow, that was a lot of phrasal verbs.
I know, but these are all super common in everyday English.
Okay, we've covered a lot, but there are still some important expressions with get that don't fit into those categories.
Right. Let's go through some expressions you'll hear all the time.
First, get going or get moving. These mean to start leaving or start doing something.
We need to get going or we'll be late.
Come on, get moving. We don't have all day.
Get a life. This is a rude expression telling someone to stop being boring or annoying.
Yeah, don't use this unless you're joking with close friends.
Get lost. This is also rude. It means go away.
Get real means be realistic or stop being unrealistic.
You think you'll become a millionaire in 1 year? Get real.
Get a grip means to control yourself or calm down.
Stop panicking and get a grip.
Now some positive expressions.
Get lucky, to have good fortune, especially unexpectedly.
I got lucky and found a parking spot right away.
Get the hang of something, to learn how to do something well.
It's difficult at first, but you'll get the hang of it.
I'm finally getting the hang of driving.
Get the chance to do something, to have the opportunity.
I hope I get the chance to travel to Japan.
Did you get the chance to see that movie?
Get in touch with someone, to contact them.
I need to get in touch with my old friend.
Get in touch when you arrive.
Get rid of something, to throw away or eliminate.
I need to get rid of these old clothes.
How can I get rid of this headache?
Get started, to begin something.
Let's get started with the lesson.
I can't wait to get started on my new project.
Get used to something, to become accustomed to something.
It takes time to get used to a new job.
I can't get used to waking up early.
And finally, get it? Asking if someone understands.
So you press this button first, then this one. Get it?
Yeah, I get it.
All right, before we finish, let's talk about common mistakes learners make with get.
Good idea. These will help you avoid errors.
Mistake number 1, using get in formal writing too much.
Right. Get is casual and conversational. In formal writing, use more specific verbs.
Instead of I got the information, write I received the information or I obtained the information.
But in speaking in casual writing, get is totally fine.
Mistake number 2, forgetting that get needs different prepositions.
Yes, it's get to a place, but get in a car and get on a bus.
Students sometimes say, I get at work at 9. That's wrong. It's I get to work at 9.
Mistake number 3, using get when you mean become in formal contexts.
Right. The situation is getting worse is fine in conversation, but in a formal report, write, the situation is worsening.
Mistake number 4, confusing get with take or bring.
Oh, this is tricky. Get me a coffee means bring me a coffee.
But if you want someone to drink coffee with you, say, let's get coffee, not let's take coffee.
Mistake number 5, overusing get when a more specific verb exists.
Sometimes students use get for everything. I got dinner could be I cooked dinner or I ordered dinner. Be more specific when you can.
But honestly, native speakers do this too. Get is just so versatile.
True. That's why it's such an important word to master.
Wow, we covered so much about get today.
I know. Let's do a super quick recap.
Today you learned get equals receive or obtain. I got a present. Get equals become. I'm getting tired. Get equals arrive. I got to work at 9. Get equals understand. I get it. Tons of phrasal verbs. Get up, get along, get over, get through. Common expressions. Get going, get the hang of, get rid of. And common mistakes to avoid.
The key is, get is everywhere in English. Don't be afraid to use it.
But remember, it's casual. For formal writing, use more specific verbs.
All right, everyone, time for your homework.
In the comments, write 5 sentences using get in different ways.
Try to use at least 3 different meanings or phrasal verbs we taught today.
We'll read every comment and give you feedback.
And if this lesson helped you, smash that like button.
Subscribe to EnglishPop if you haven't already. We make learning English fun and easy.
Hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
You're doing amazing. Keep practicing.
Keep learning.
And keep popping with EnglishPop.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.